Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the brand new ROG Phone 9 Pro and its predecessor, the ROG Phone 8 Pro. At first glance, you might think the differences are minimal. Both look sleek, futuristic, and built for serious gamers. But dig a little deeper, and you'll see that Asus has made some pretty significant changes that could tempt even ROG Phone 8 Pro owners to consider an upgrade. So let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two smartphones and see which one is best for your needs and style. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Starting off with the performance, the ROG Phone 9 Pro has a clear edge thanks to its Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. While the ROG Phone 8 Pro already impressed with its Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the leap in power here is undeniable. The 9 Pro boasts a 45% boost in CPU performance and a 40% jump in GPU capabilities, all while running at an insane 4.3 GHz clock speed. Pair that with up to 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, and you've got a beast of a device. And it's not like the ROG Phone 8 Pro is a slouch. It's still more than capable of running high-end games and apps effortlessly. But the 9 Pro doesn't just deliver raw power, it's also more efficient, meaning it can handle demanding tasks without draining the battery as quickly. For gamers who push their phones to the limit, the ROG Phone 9 Pro is the clear winner here. Its combination of speed and efficiency makes it the better choice for high-performance gaming. When it comes to the display, both phones are neck and neck in most areas, but the ROG Phone 9 Pro manages to pull ahead with one key upgrade. Both devices feature a gorgeous 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a stunning peak brightness of 2500 nits, a 720 Hz touch sampling rate for ultra-responsive gaming, and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. They also share a 120 Hz LTPO refresh rate for everyday use, which adapts to your activity to save battery. But the ROG Phone 9 Pro introduces a gaming-specific 185 Hz refresh rate compared to the 165 Hz of the ROG Phone 8 Pro. This means smoother animations and higher frame rates in supported games, although many Android titles are still capped at 120 FPS. While the difference might not be game-changing for casual players, hardcore gamers will appreciate the added smoothness. So for its slight but meaningful improvement in refresh rate, the ROG Phone 9 Pro takes the lead in the display department. Moving on to the design, let's talk about one of the coolest features of these phones, the anime vision system on the back. The ROG Phone 8 Pro brought us 341 programmable LEDs that could display custom graphics, text, and notifications, making it stand out in the crowd. But Asus has gone all out with the ROG Phone 9 Pro, upgrading to a jaw-dropping 648 programmable LEDs. Not only does it look more vibrant and customizable, but it also introduces minigames like Snake and Brick Smasher that you can play using the rear LED panel and touch triggers. While the ROG Phone 8 Pro's anime vision is still impressive, the enhancements on the 9 Pro make it far more appealing, especially for gamers who love a bit of flair. Battery life is a big deal for gamers, and Asus took user feedback seriously when designing the ROG Phone 9 Pro. The ROG Phone 8 Pro offered a solid 5,500 mAh battery, but it struggled to keep up with the high power demands of intense gaming sessions. Enter the ROG Phone 9 Pro with a larger 5,800 mAh battery and the efficiency gains of the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Asus claims you can now get over 26 hours of general use or up to 4.5 hours of heavy gaming on a single charge, which is a notable improvement. Both phones share the same 65 watts hypercharge technology, allowing you to juice up quickly, along with 15 watts wireless charging and bypass charging for uninterrupted gaming while plugged in. While the difference in battery capacity might not seem huge, the real-world benefits are significant. As for my final verdict, the ROG Phone 8 Pro is still a fantastic gaming phone with top-notch performance, a stunning display, and unique features that cater to hardcore gamers. But the ROG Phone 9 Pro takes everything great about its predecessor and dials it up a notch. From its more powerful and efficient chipset to its faster refresh rate, upgraded anime vision panel, and smarter AI features, it's clear that the ROG Phone 9 Pro is the better choice for gamers looking for the ultimate mobile experience. If you already own the ROG Phone 8 Pro, The upgrades might not feel essential unless you're chasing peak performance. But if you're in the market for a new gaming phone, the ROG Phone 9 Pro is the one to beat. It's the complete package, and it raises the bar for what a gaming phone can be.